Every day we go to work hoping to do two things: bring innovation into product designs and proficiency into manufacturing. It was true when Akord was established, and it's just as true as today. Born in 2011, Akord is a forward-looking brand focusing on the design and development of all types of fasteners, from the construction industry to home DIY purposes. Today, we proudly manufacture over 5,000 types of fasteners. Akord is not just fasteners. We've always believed in dreams and inspirations. It's our goal to support you in building your life with your hands. From reliability to creativity, we prioritize what you need to get you on the way. Akord, let's fasten something in life.